So we are therefore telling Kenyans that substantive boundary delimitation will be undertaken after the general election using the legally and nationally applicable population census. As we've said, and I will repeat again, the 2019 census is a matter that is in court, and yet the Commission requires that data for us to publish what is called a preliminary report of boundary delimitation, and for us to publish a notice of intention to delimit electoral boundaries. And in the absence of that data, in the absence of that report, then we cannot be, our hands are tied and we cannot progress. So we would like to inform Kenyans that any boundary review process will look at is reviewing the names of those constituencies and the boundaries. We can change the boundaries to ensure a constituency with a large number can accommodate, with a smaller number can accommodate some populations from that constituency which carries more populations. But we cannot change the number of constituencies.